Presidential election jitters and global fundamentals are in the spotlight. Equity futures here in the U.S. are eyeing a mixed open. In the foreign exchange market, the U.S. dollar is mixed and risk aversion is boosting the yen yet again. Growing concerns about the implication of a Trump presidency on trade and policy continue to weigh on investor sentiment. As for central banks, the Fed Reserve left rates unchanged as expected. The Fed signaled it could hike rates in December as the economy gathers momentum and inflation picks up. Meanwhile, the Bank of England left rates at a record low and raised its 2017 growth target, but it did cut the 2018 GDP growth forecast to 1.5%. Also, the High Court in the UK ruled that Brexit will require a vote in Parliament. As for U.S. economic data, the number of people who applied for unemployment benefits at the end of October rose by 7,000. The rate of layoffs in the U.S. still remains extremely low. Taking a look at the FX market, euro-dollar is off just 0.2% in New York morning trade at 1.1068. The pound against the dollar is soaring after the BOE rate decision, with the currency up 1.5% at 1.2487. Meanwhile, dollar-yen is in the spotlight today. The trend for that pair is bearish. The pair is trading within a bearish channel, and therefore trading central analysts prefer short positions below 103.50 with down targets at 102.45 and 102 in extension. In the precious metals market, they are in the red after yesterday's rally. Gold is down minus 1.2% at 1292.10. Silver is in the spotlight today. That precious metal is under pressure and has broken below a rising trend line and is accelerating to the downside. The 20-day moving average is turning lower and it has crossed below the 50-day moving average. Trading central analysts prefer short positions below 1851 with down targets at $17.91 and 72 in extension. And that does wrap it up for this morning. Make sure to follow us on Twitter at Trading Central. I'm Emily Blair reporting from the New York Stock Exchange for Trading Central Web TV.